welcome back once again to my channel. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Hezikem. I am a makeup artist in real life and I also do makeup on YouTube, as my channel is all about makeup. So today's makeup, I was thrown a challenge by Jordan to do a 15-minute makeup challenge, which I have accepted. I will look for her comment and just leave it somewhere on the screen for you to know. So today's makeup is me doing a 15-minute makeup challenge, my whole face. It's quite challenging because normally my makeup takes a longer time, so I do the editorial work to make the video smaller. So I have accepted the challenge and then let's see how it goes. So without further ado, let's jump right into my video. But if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share my videos with your family and friends. Let's go viral together. So I will just set the time on my phone. I'm using iPhone, but I will also place it somewhere on the screen for you guys to see the time. This is my time. I will just click on it and start. It's just funny to me how the whole thing will go, so let's just start. So I'll start off with my brows. I'm nervous. What I do is I normally do my brows off camera, but since it's a 15-minute makeup tutorial, oh god, I have 14 minutes and some seconds. I try to have my brows as natural as possible. So I just feeling, guys, I won't talk that much. I have 30 minutes, oh gosh. Okay, enough with the brows. I'll try and conceal it with LA Pro concealer. Ooh. Oh god. Enough. So what I will do is to conceal my eyelid with MAC. Oh gosh. I will just go in with my foundation. It's better for me that way. No, I will just go in with my concealer. What concealer should I use? What concealer should I use? I will just use... I have 11 minutes. 11 minutes, something seconds. I'll use this concealer from LA I don't know the name. Oh God. Then I'll use my beauty blender. Then I'll go underneath my eyes. See what I will do. I know my face looks horrible now, but I'm just going with my foundation. It's not easy to do a 15 minutes makeup tutorial. My gosh, such a challenge. Ooh. So to contour my face, I'm going to use. Oh, I have less than 8 minutes. Like, now my face is a little bit contoured, so I'll go in with I'll try and contour my eyelid a bit, since I wouldn't have to play with much shadow. Now, so what shadow should I use? This will be the palette that I will use. This will be the palette that I will use. Beautiful colors. What should I use? How many minutes left? Oh, less than 5 minutes. Let me just set my face first. Oh! Less than 4 minutes, guys. No cheating here. Ooh. Yeah. I'll go in with this color here. Here, this one. I'll go in with this one here. Enough for the eyes. I'll just give a small line and then I'm done. 50 seconds. Oh my gosh. I failed. Hi. I failed 32 seconds. Look. I failed. The time is out. I failed, guys. This is my 15 minutes makeup tutorial. Oh gosh. So guys, basically the time is out and this is how far I could come, but I'll just finish up and let you guys know how the finish looks like. So guys, this is the end of my 15 minutes makeup tutorial challenge. Thank you, Geraldine. Thank you for your challenge. Challenge well accepted, but as you see, I failed. So yes, this is the end of my video, guys. So if you'd like to see me do any challenge, please leave a comment down below and I will gladly do that for you guys. Let me just wrap up and come back.